Hello, we are making olive oil soap and I've been stirring it for another hour and I'd like to show you where we at. And as you can see, it's still liquid. It's heavier though, but we are now ready to pour it in the mold. So at this point, after stirring it for 2 hours, I'm going to just let it do its things. It's barely warm. And I'm just going to let it do its things here, and I'll take it to my office where times to times I will stir it. But that's pretty much it. I'm just going to let it slowly taking up, and that's 2 hours of stirring olive oil soap. When you are making olive oil soap, keep that in mind. That is not going to be heavy quickly, especially if you are hand stirring it, but it's heavier than before. So at this point I can tell that it's not going to separate into water and oil, but it's just going to be, it's going to get heavier and heavier slowly. So I didn't do much of a reading, so I'm just going to let it go, take it to my office, and probably every 30 minutes stir a little bit and see how that goes. And what I'm thinking, let me see here, what probably we should do now is get the mold ready. So let's get to that then. I'm just going to leave this here and take you down, and while I'm at it, I can just take everything else from here. I have the gloves. I can take this. You can just go down and see if we will quickly make the mold ready. And I might probably put you somewhere I can charge the camera. And I'm just going to make some rooms here or here. Let's use this table. Liner cutter that I use. So that will be those two. That will fit my mold. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the car. And I think I got the parchment paper from soapequipment.com. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a match what I have here. Then I have my scissors. And I'll just cut it. And what I will do is I will just fold it. And this one I put on the side. And I'll hold on them what side they will go for the mold. And just put it. In fact, I'm adding that. I shouldn't have put that one in it. So let's see if we can take it out. Okay. I just want to keep it away from this second one. So I'm doing 1 and 2. So that helps. So I'll just make sure the straight side line up with my paper. And I just fold this one. Let's give them a shape. So that makes it easy for me to cut my paper for the mold. So now I'm just going to cut this piece off. the way I like it. This one is not sweet either. And now that's the mold. All those screws comes apart. I'm going to wipe a little bit because I have some soap residue in it. But at the same time, it's going to allow the paper to stick to the mold. So I'm not going to wash it or anything like that. I'm just going to wipe it off and make it easy with inside being a little bit oily to get the paper, to peel the paper off later. So pretty much wipe it off. Let me see if I have residue at the back here. We are going to pull. You will see that it's not this way I'll put it because I have just too much space here. So that means this one goes here and that's the last one to go in it because I secure it with this. So this will be the first one to go. It's not this way, but it's this way because that's the one that fits this length. So I'll use my nails and just push it in, and I'll use my thumb and make that same line here as well. And as you can see, it's sealing. So now I'll use the nail as well here, and I'll use it here as well. That's pretty much it. Now I'll use this one and I'll put them through the mirror part. Pretty much I've cut it one time and I kept it as a sample, so that after that I will just use it to cut the holes because that has the measurement for me. So pretty much I'm going to repeat the same thing here and make sure I have enough inside. Then I'm going to use my tongue then I'll put it down here and crisp it up here. And then I'll hold it down and do the same thing. And you can see that it's coming out here, but I'm not going to adjust it because I have a little bit of excess. Let's see. If I don't, I can just pull it back. Because I have enough here to work with. So let's do that again. Technically, I have a little bit of leftover here. I was not supposed to do that if I cut it straight, and I didn't cut it straight. So it's a little bit left there, but there's something that is supposed to be exactly the length. And that's pretty much it. So, and everything comes apart. That's why I want my soap to be very thick by the time I'm pouring it in it, so that I don't have a lot to leak out. So our mold is ready, and I'm just going to show you where usually I'll put it under the table right there on a piece of box, but I'm going to leave it on the table until we are ready to pour the soap in it. And that's that. I'll take this. But I have this box that I will put it in it on it later. You can just keep it like that for now. So after being here for a while, we can go check on our soap to see if it is, if that's separated or not. And that tells us if I'll be able to leave it. And as you can see, we still have a little layer of oil on top of it, but other than that, everything is well blended at the bottom. So I'm just going to stir it times 2 times, let it go for a while, stir it times 2 times. Once everyone is heavy, ready to be poured, I'll show it to you. Thank you for watching. I'm Afiavi Ojuna Liberman, creators of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel and owners of Nina Soap. And our website is ninasoap.com.